Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the MongoDB. So today we are going to learn about the CRUD operations in MongoDB using the CMD command line. So let's get started. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to log in with my Mongo. So this is the shell sh- show DBs. We can check. So there is a multiple. Okay, so I'm going to use the test DB. Use test 2. Okay, let's have a look on that. Okay, so what exactly we are going to check. This is done. So let's have a look what we are going to do. First there is an insert query, then we are going to learn about the update, then delete, then read. So these are basically the CRUD operations in the MongoDB. So we are going to operate all these queries in your command line. So let's have a look on that. So first of all, I'm going to insert this one. So basically the query is db dot people is the name of that collection. Insert, you want to insert name, Tom and the age. So if I'm going to copy this and add it over here, paste, so you can see that this query is inserted. Let's have a look how it is inserted. So I'm going to open my RoboMongo to have a look on that. So let me connect and let's have a test collections. Then we have a people. Okay, and where we have a view documents, you can see that name and the age. Okay, moving to the next section, insert one. If I want to insert one name, I can suggest Tommy and the age is 28, so I'm going to copy. If I want to insert one, okay, so you can also use this query, insert one. So now you can see that acknowledge true, inserted id this. If you use insert one, then it will come with like this one, that is inserted true. Let's have a look on the DB. On the same time, view documents, you can see that the next document is added, Tommy 28 each, right? Moving to the next, if you want to insert many, so I'm going to add Tommy 1, then John 1, then age Kathy okay. Now I'm going to copy this and add. If you want to insert many documents at the same time, that should be the consist of the array, right? You can see that this is the array and this is the objects that we are adding. Then copy this, I'm going to add it over here, paste. See, three objects have been created, right? Currently it's two. If I'm going to refresh this, you can check that. Okay, this is Tom 1, this is John 1, and you can see that Kathy. So these are the ways to insert any document with the help of these queries: insert, save, insert one, and insert many. Okay, this part is done. Moving to the next part, that is update. If I want to update that part, right? So there are so many queries over here, so we will going to learn step by step. db.people.update name Tom, age 29, name Tom. Okay, so I'm going to update that. Where is the name is Tom, I want to update the age. Okay, and the name should be Tom. You can use also this one. Let's have a look. By default we are using the set one in the current version, so we are going to do that also, and it's pretty much easy. Paste. So you can see that upsetted, and I want to check, oh, Tom where age to be 28, it should be 29. Okay, so here we have this one 28. Now I'm going to refresh this document and let's have us check that age is 29 where Tom. Okay, so this is updated, right? You can also use the set one. Okay, update one where name is this one. Okay, so I'm going to update with the help of this one, update one, or you can use update. Okay, so here there is a set function, right? Name Tom. Okay, set, what we have to set, the age should be 30. You can also this one. So I'm going to copy this. It's only update the one record, the first one where name is Tom. I'm going to copy and add this. That should be 30, should be updated. Okay, what happened? I think maybe my query is set, something I miss. db.people.update this one. Update the first matching document. Let's have a look. If I run the query, if it is updated or not. It's 29. Let's run this one. Update name is Tom and set the age to be 30. I don't know why it's, but update one if it is there. Okay, leave this. Then we have we can use this one update with a multi true, or we can use this one update. Let's have a look. Okay, maybe update one in the current version is not working. So you can see that it's not up because it already age 29 is there. So I'm going to add 39. Okay, so you can see that it is updated. Let's have a look on that, and you can see that 39 is age is updated. So you can use the people dot update. Okay, when name is stopped, so it will update all the rows having the name, because we have update all the queries, right, with the name Tom. Okay, so next we have update many. So you can use the set age, this one. Okay, so I'm going to use the multi true. I'm use update many over here, right? So I'm going to paste this, and here I'm going to add update many. Okay, so where we have a Tom, it will update the age 29 with multi true. Okay, you can see that where we have the Tom, where we have a Tommy, Tom is not there, there is only one. So it's updated over here, it's 39, it will update with the 29. Okay, so update many records, you can use this one, right? So we have learned about the update single record update. If you want to update many, then you can use the update many one, right? So moving to the next one, update many is done. Now we have a delete query. Okay, so if I want to delete many where we have a Tom, so I just want to use db.people delete many, right? So have a look on that. So whatever we have a Tom, it will going to delete it. Okay, so delete many. So let's have a look. 4 records. Next we will use the delete one. So I'm going to use Tommy over here. So it will delete that one only record. So copy this, add this one. Knowledge. So it would be how many records? It's 4. It's gonna be 3. Okay. Now we are going to check remove. You can use the remove part. If I'm going to add just remove, so it will drop whole the collection. So let's have a look and drop the whole collection. People remove. Okay, let's have a look. View documents. Okay, I think this is not working. So use this one, db.people remove. Okay, so that will work. db.people.remove with the curly braces. Okay, that should be empty. That will remove all the records what we have. Let's have a look on that. So the items is removed over here. Okay. Okay, now we have the read query. So for that one, I need to add something over here. So I'm going to insert this query first. Okay, so insert many. So the records are added over here. Let's have a look. It's added. Now we are going to read. If I want, we have learned with the insert, update, delete. Then we have a read functionality. If I want to find where the name is Tom, so let's have a look. It's reading or not. Tom record is there? No, Tom record is not there. So what the records are inserted over here? So it's Tom1. So let's paste this and add with Tom1. Okay, there is a one record, right? It's coming up, right? And if you want to find one, then you can use the name and the find one. Only one records would be present. Okay, if I want to find all the records, then you need to add find. If you want to pretty that one, that means format that code, so you need to use the pretty one. Okay, so it will look like this one, 3 records of this one. Okay, so this is how you are able to update, create, delete, and insert. These are the CRUD operations of the MongoDB which we have learned in this video. Any doubt, any query in that, just let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.